Nuair a bhíonn sé dorachas sníche agus i do laigh a leaba a cuinúir céir a hála, céir tá rótamach. Bhí rud amháin a chunne beá sin an bhean. Bhí íomháig iste nach leigem, pictiúr go Eileen, iste nach leigem. Agus sinné an rud a chunne a bhisneach, a chunne a chrí láidir. Bhí barú leige go dúcach deire leis seo, agus an deire bheith leis I scéal seo, go mbeadh sé héin agus ise le chéile éirigh.
My own darling Frank, what I have dreaded all these months has now come to pass. Could you glum a ré no a yenu? Níl na facalugum le hense dat cin fian a tam a chrí is smuintwart.
This morning I burned all your letters, and you know what a heartbreak that was to me. Da haid litratha, le ahan acal a bhí chul luach war sin dúsa. Cá gurthar mé, agus go dé hála hasú, sin rud na bhlas agam. A théas agam seo, go me ma piliúart go lua. Níl a gheithar a dón a chur is bacaram, tá ma níos mó an Eile tanis na mar a bhíriau.
It's a love story that survived the most incredibly difficult conditions. Frank Murray was a Catholic nationalist doctor who joined the British Army because it was the right thing to do.
This is about courage, it's about fortitude, it's about love, it's about faith. And it says to us in this war-torn world that love and kindness, these are the things that make our world a better place.